Alright, well, hello. We're going to Venice Beach, and I'm in the car with all the girls. Woo woo. Oh, now y'all want to be quiet. Now y'all want to be quiet. We're in Venice Beach, and we're trying to find a place to eat.
Get that out of my face. I'm so tired of it.
And yeah, there's no sun right now, and it's windy. But the beach looks pretty, so
La La Land. Ooh, pipes and shit.
Awkward. So now to find a place to eat and keep enjoying the day.
That's funny.
Guys are gonna surf. We're just gonna watch and take pictures. So look at them, they're getting ready to get their things. And hopefully we'll get some bikes later on too. Just stroll around.
Taking it real authentic Cali.
Yeah. Oh, they're about to go surf. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Don't they look adorable? Got done surfing, and now we're trying to find a place to eat. How was it?
It was really great. It was harder than I thought it was gonna be.
Robbie, how'd you like surfing?
Tiring. Very tiring.
And Robbie's trying to keep up with the British accent,
English
accent, whatever. But yeah, now we're trying to get something to eat because I'm starving.
Woo!
Yeah! All right. Santa Monica Pier. Woo! And see, yes, we're about to go.
Yes, they're on it. Robbie, are you going to ride the roller coaster?
They want to ride the roller
Go ride
coaster.
the roller coaster?
This should be very fun. So we just got back from the beach. It was very, very fun. And now we are headed upstairs. We're headed upstairs to get some good old pasta that Tori and Gabby are cooking for us. Totally slipped my mind. Yum. About to have a good homemade meal, home cooked meal. Yeah, that.
Nachos and Cajun pasta.
Yes.
Go down.
Yes.
Being Cajun Cali. South to the other south.
Look at that. All right, and I'm done with you. But yeah, Venice was fun. Santa Monica Pier was fun too. Yeah, we leave tomorrow, so I don't want to go home. I need somebody to hire me between today and tomorrow. That'd be great.
For real.
But yeah, so that's it for right now.
Yeah, LeBron, tell him. We going back to the finals, baby. Woo! We hyped.
Gabby cooking meal for us. Get out. Looks good. Robbie's gonna make a funnel cake.
The facial expression alone is like...
We're eating dinner and we're being entertained.
That was a go.
Get it?
The robot is awesome.
Just funnel cakes. Yeah. Sad day. It's the end of the day, and we go home tomorrow. It's been a blast, and I've really enjoyed every moment of it, and I wouldn't change anything about it. I really enjoyed being here and having this awesome opportunity. It's been fantastic. Never did I ever think I would, be in Los Angeles visiting and talking to people that, are in my field of work, and I learned so much. So it's time to put all that learning into action and make my dreams come true. Headed back to Houston tomorrow. Yeah, it's been great.